What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today is New Year's Eve, people. Happy New Year's. If you're going out, you're going to party, enjoy, have fun, and please be safe. All right, now we got an awesome watch face to end the year with. This one is coming from Broda. Broda outdid himself with this watch face, as he always does. Now the name of this one is called Broda Alpha. Even in the always on mode, it's going to look nice for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. But once the watch face is on, I love the style. I love the theme of this watch face as well. I'm going to give Broda 5 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face and the feature packed options that are within it. Now, let's take a look at it. Now, if you look at the watch face, it is an analog watch face and it offers a digital time as well. And it's amazing how the digital time actually enhances the analog look of this watch face, right? Now, if you look up at the top, right here, you're going to get your days of the week that's going to be surrounding the actual date. I thought that was a good look. You got nice stylish analog hands. You come all the way down to the dial down at the bottom. You are going to get info on calories burned, and you're going to get your step info also. Over here, you're going to get your battery information. You're going to get a meter for it as well, and you're going to get 6 ways to customize your apps, and it gives you a map to actually see where all the shortcuts that you could set are, which I thought was pretty cool of Broda. And you come down, you can customize this watch face. It is inactive, so if I want to go into my heart rate, I can go into my heart rate, but I can customize the color theme of this watch face. We're going to check out all of them. Now for this side, all you got to do is press here, double tap, and you can customize the color. I'm loving it. I thought this was definitely a good look for this watch face, and I can customize the hour hand. Let me tap here. That's the hour. Thought that was a good look. And you come all the way down to the bottom and you can customize the middle theme of the watch face. Pretty cool, right? Not bad at all. Okay, and then the minute, let's come over here. Tap on the 5. You can customize the minute, and then if you want to, come over here and you can customize this side of the theme. Broda outdid himself with this one. I'm telling you, the guy always brings the noise with these watch faces. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoy the year-end watch face. And if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.